Now fifth problem, a line intersects x and y axis at A and B respectively. If 3, 4 is the midpoint of AB, the line AB, then find the coordinates of A and B. We have to find the coordinates of A and B. If you know basic concepts and formulas, you can do the problem, any problem easily. I will write the solution. A line intersects x and y axis. Line means AB. This line AB intersects x and y axis at A and B respectively. First you draw x and y axis. This is x axis and this is y axis. A straight line intersects x and y axis at A and B. You write this as A and this is B, and A will be in the form of x0 and B will be in the form of 0y. x0, the distance between these 2 points, that is origin and that is O, and A is x. The y will be 0. The distance between these 2 points, this is x, understand, and this is y. You take a point C, that is midpoint, it is 3 and 4. This problem depends on midpoint. What is a midpoint? You write the formula for midpoint. Now what is the midpoint here? C. C 3 and 4 is equal. What is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. First you write the formula. Already midpoint we know. 3, 4 is equal to, you see, x1, y1. You take this is x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. You can take this as A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, no problem. Now substitute x1 and x2, y1 and y2 in this formula. What is x1 here? 0. 0 plus x2. What is x2 here? X by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y1 here? Y. y2 will be 0. Y plus 0 by 2. First you should understand the problem. A line means this line AB, the line intersects x and y axis at A and B. He has given midpoint. You have to write the formula. Midpoint he has given, and midpoint 3, 4 is equal to 0 plus x by 2 and y plus 0 by 2. You write implies. This is x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate. Equate these two and these two. 3 is equal to 0 plus x, 0 plus x by 2. And 4 is equal to y plus 0 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 is equal to 0 plus x by 2 is x by 2. And you will get, what is the value of x? 3 2s are 6. Next, you find the value of y. 4 is equal to y plus 0 by 2 means y by 2. And you will get y is equal to 4 2s are 8. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 8. Now you got, now we have to check whether our answer is true or false. Check. Now, what is A here? A. The point A is x0. x0 means A should be, what is the value of x? 6. 6 0 and B is 0y and B will be, y will be 8. 0 8. 0 8. Now you find the midpoint. Midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2. Use, see, x1 y1 x2 y2 or x1 y1 x2 y2. 6 plus 0 by 2. 6 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 8 by 2. You will get 6 plus 0 by 2 means 3 and 0 plus 8 means 8 by 2 means 4. As you got 3 4, midpoint is 3 4 you got. Like that you can check the problem whether our answer is true or false. What is our sixth problem? Slope of a straight line which is passing through the points 2 1 and k minus 3 is 4. Slope he has given. Slope m he has given. M is the slope, that is 4. You should know the slope formula. x1 y1 and x2 y2. This is x1 y1 and x2 y2. We should know the formula, slope formula. Solution. What is the slope formula? Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, if a straight line is given, what is the slope of this line? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope of what is the formula I have? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope he has given? 4. x1 y1, x2 y2. What is y2 here? Minus 3 minus. What is y1? 1 by. What is x2? K minus. x1 is 2. Implies 4 into k minus 2. Cross multiplication is equal to minus 4. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. You multiply 4 into k, 4k minus 4 into 2, 8 is equal to minus 4. Now 4k is equal to minus 8 means 8 minus 2. You will get k is equal to 8 minus 4, 4 divided by 4. You will get k is equal to 1. Whether our answer is true or false, you can check. Verification. See, x1 y1 x2 y2. 2 1 means 2 1. And what is another point? K minus 3. What is the value of k? 1 minus 3. Now we have to find slope. You should get 4. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 means minus 3 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus 2. Minus 4 by minus 1. You will get minus minus cancel. You will get, what is the value of slope? What is the value of slope? Slope is 4, as we got slope as 4. What is the slope of the line? 4, as we got slope of the line is 4. Verify. Now 7th problem. If x-intercept and y-intercept of a straight line are 4 and 6 respectively, then find the median formed by the line, by the straight line and coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x and y axis. First, draw the diagram. This is x axis and this is y axis. You write x axis and this is y axis. X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 6. You draw a straight line. X-intercept is 4 means you have to take 4 0 and y-intercept is 6. You have to write 0 6 and you have to find the median formed by the straight line and coordinate axis, means x and y axis. This is origin, you should understand. What is median? The line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. You take midpoint as x and y. We don't know. And this is x1, y1. And you take x2, y2. What is a median? The line drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. We have to find this median. You take this as A, B, this is C. And we have to find this as origin O. We have to find OC. OC is the median. You write OC is the median of the triangle OAB. We have to find the median, means distance between O and C. First we have to find the midpoint, x and y. What is the formula for midpoint? Cxy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. We have to find midpoint, x and y you have to find. x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 means 4 plus 0 by 2. 4 plus 0 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. 0 plus 6 by 2. Now, xy is equal to 4 by 2. 4 plus 0 means 4. 4 by 2 means you will get 2. And 6. 0 plus 6 by 2 means 6 by 2 means 3. Now you got x is equal to 2. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. Now you got x coordinate 2 and y coordinate is 3. Now we have to find the distance between O and C. This is very interesting problem. We have to find the distance between O and C because we have to find the median of the triangle. What is the distance between origin and a point xy? 0, origin means 0, 0 and distance. Distance between O 0, 0 and xy will be root of x square plus y square. This you should remember. Bits you will get the problem like this. The distance between origin and xy. You should know the formula. If you know the formula, it is very easy to do the problem directly. See, if you want to know what is the distance between 2 points, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X minus 0 whole square is x square and y minus 0 whole square is y square. You should remember this formula. Root of x square plus y square is equal to, what is x here? 2. What is y? 3. 2 square plus 3 square is equal to root of 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 units. You have to write. This is the distance. Root 13 is the length of the median. What is the length of the median? Median is equal to root 13 units. Like this you should understand the problem and draw the diagram. You should know the formulas so that it is very easy to do the problems, solve the problems. Now what is the 8th problem? If the distance between 2 points x7 and 115 is 10. Already has given the distance between 2 points he has given, that is 10 he has given. And what we have to find? Then find the value of k. If the distance between 2 points, this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. You take, what is the distance between, you take this as A and this is B. You take, what is the distance between 2 points? A, x7 and B, is 150. What is the distance between A and B as given? That is 10. Distance between 2 points A and B is 10 units. What is the distance between 2 points? AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. He has given the distance between 2 points A and B, that is 10. This is equal to 10, and x2 minus x1, this is x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square means 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 15 minus 7 whole square. See, root is there, squaring both sides. You will get 100 is equal to 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7, 8. 8 square means 64. 100 is equal to 1 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Like that, 1 square means 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 64. This equation can be written as x square minus 2x. You will get 64 here. 64 plus 1, 65. X square minus 2x plus 65 minus 100. You will get minus 35 is equal to 0. Now we have quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in x. In x, what is it? X square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. We have 35. 35. Factorize 35. 7 5s are 35. You are getting 2 if you subtract. X square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 is equal to 0. You will get, you take these two x, you take these two and these two. You take x common, x minus 7 plus 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. What is the common here? X minus 7 is common in these two, and you will get x plus 5. X minus 7 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7, and x plus 5 is equal to 0, x you will get minus 5. And you will have two values for x. What are they? X is equal to 7, and also you are getting x is equal to minus 5. Now we can verify whether our answer is true or false. Verification. What is the distance between 2 points? X 7. First we will take x is equal to 7. 7, 7. 7, 7. And what is the another point? 150. You find the distance between these 2 points. You must get 10. You know root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 1 minus 7 minus 6 whole square plus 15 minus 7 means 8 whole square. You are getting 6 minus 6 square means 36. 8 square means 64. Root 100 you will get is nothing but 10 units. As we got the answer. Now you take x is equal to minus 5. You find the distance. X you have to take minus 5. Minus 5, 7 and 150. You have to find the distance between these 2 points. 1 minus of minus 5 means 6. 6 square means 36 you will get plus 15 minus 7, 8. 8 square means 64. As root 100 you will get 10 units distance between 2 points. As we verified whether our problem is true or false, as our answer is true.